Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can easily turn on vibration for incoming calls on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, do not forget to put likes and write comments. And let us get started with you. So, for this, we will need to go into the phone settings. Next, we select the section called Notifications. After that, we scroll down to find our phone. And this is where we click on Sounds. You and I can choose any sounds that are there to put on our ringtone, incoming call. Once you choose a ringtone, or you can add your own from the Tone Store. At the top, you can choose a tactile experience. After you click on Haptics, if you have, like I have right now, a check mark next to none, that means you have vibration turned off. And in order to turn it on for incoming calls, you just need to select one of the above-mentioned vibrations. In terms of options, you either have a vibration that synchronizes with the ringtone you choose, or there are other types of vibrations. But in order to understand how they vibrate, you will need to hold the phone in your hands. And that's the only way you'll be able to tell if you like the vibration by the tactile feel of your hand with the phone. If you want to create your own vibration, let's say you don't like any of these, then you press Create a New Vibration. And here, in order to create one, you just have to press your finger on the screen, and you can remove it whenever you want. So for this example, it's done like this. And now you can listen to it by also picking up your phone to feel your vibration. You press play. And if you're happy with it, then you can save it. And you can do that by pressing Save at the top. And give your vibration a name. Sign it somehow. Once you've signed it, you press Save again. And as you can see, now you have your vibration. And if you get tired of it and you want to delete it, you just swipe to the left side of the screen to remove it like this. Then automatically you'll have your vibration on, which will synchronize with your ringtone. This is how you can turn on vibration for incoming calls on your iPhone. And you can also create your own vibration. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you later.